What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton, and today I'll be demonstrating one way that you can install some window casing. Now watch to the very end because I have a small little caveat for those that are either beginner DIY or a little bit more advanced. The products and tools that I use for this project will be down below in the description, so go check those out. And the time that it took me to complete this project was probably about 20 to 30 minutes. So let's get started. Here's the window that I'm going to add some casing around. First, I'm going to measure the sides of the window. Measure from the inside corner of the bottom to the top. Do it to the other side. Transfer that measurement to your piece of wood, make a mark, and cut it. Do that to both sides. And the reason why I do the sides first is because of the look that I want the top and bottom to be kind of the finishing pieces, almost like they're caps. Dry fit the side piece. You could liquid nail it if you wanted to, but you should have studs framed around a window. Take a nailer, nail it down. Now measure from the outside edge of the side casing you just put on to the other outside edge side casing, and that's now your measurement for the top and bottom pieces. Measure that out, transfer it to the piece of wood, cut it, dry fit it, put it up, nail it on. These pieces can actually flex a little bit. You can actually start nailing, move down a little bit, say 8 to 10 inches, flex the piece of wood and nail it again. So you can really have a nice crisp, straight piece of casing around your entire window. Once you're done with all that, get some caulk or wood filler, fill in some holes, paint it if you want to, and now you're done. Now let's pause here for a second. This is the absolute most laziest way to do this. If this is your route that you want to take, so be it. That's why I demonstrated it. A real carpenter, or someone who is a master of his craft, would actually do at least 45-degree angles, so when you cut the piece of wood, the paint does not absorb funny, and you get some weird looks. So consider a 45-degree angle. And for the shaker minimalist look, oftentimes the very top casing will actually be a different thickness and distance away from the wall to give it a little bit more depth and look a little bit more fancy. I had extra wood, so I'm using it for casing. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you liked what you just watched, hit that subscribe button right here. Or if you don't want to commit all the way and subscribe, then maybe just give it a like and maybe share with your friends or family. But also if you want to check out other videos that I've completed in the past, click this link right here. Thanks again.